Pi Scam Alert. Pi users at risk. Millions lost $1 billion. You are next. Every single year, billions of dollars vanish into cryptocurrency scams. Just in 2023, Americans alone lost more than $5.6 billion in crypto scams, a 45% increase compared to 2022. On a global level, that number is even bigger, crossing over $12 billion in just 1 year. And now, scammers have reached the stage where they are actually yielding money from Pi Network. With more than 70 million users globally, Pi has become a prime hunting ground for fraudsters. Fake wallets, phishing links, black market sales of Pi, and misleading investment offers are flooding the community. Innocent pioneers who only wanted to mine Pi for free are ending up as victims of the same scam wave that has already drained billions from the crypto world. The Facebook groups on Pi have become a prime playground for scammers. Just open your Facebook, go to Groups, type Pi Network in the search bar, and you will find countless groups with millions of pioneers. And within those groups, scammers are waiting for their next victims. The hunt ground available to them is massive, isn't it? And that's exactly why I decided to create a dedicated video, to protect you from the malicious tricks of scammers and to ensure that you never become their next target. At first, I thought I could cover everything in a single video, but as I dug deeper, I realized the topic is too vast and too important. So, I divided it into a two-part series. Right now, you are watching the first video of this series.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do it now for more similar informative and useful crypto videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications about our upcoming content. For real-time crypto updates and other exclusive benefits, I suggest you to join our WhatsApp channel. The link is provided in the description. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the two main types of scammers targeting pioneers. I'll show you real examples of scam posts and feeds from one of these types. As we go along, I'll keep explaining how to spot their tricks, expose the techniques they commonly use, and finally share the precautions you must take to safeguard your hard-earned crypto. For live proofs, I'll be focusing on Pi scams. But remember, these tricks are not limited to Pi alone. They apply across all mining projects and the entire crypto space. So, today's video is going to be more useful, more interesting, and more informative than anything you've seen before. Don't even think about leaving it unwatched or skipping any part, because you might miss the exact trick that could save you from losing your crypto to scammers. And here's something even more exciting. In the middle or towards the end of this video, I'll show you how you can actually track the history of any Pi wallet in the world. Yes, if you gain view-only access to a wallet, you can check its analytics, like the total available balance and transaction history. This can give you valuable hints about its owner. You'll be able to identify whether that wallet belongs to a scammer handling large and frequent Pi transactions, or to a normal pioneer with limited and smaller activity. So, stay tuned and connected till the very end. Type of scammers. Look, generally there are two types of scammers. The first and commonly found group is non-technical, that usually exploits people's behavior, like their greed or a situation, like urgency. The second group is tech-savvy. They rely on their knowledge of hacking and technical tricks to trap people through advanced scamming methods. Let's glance over the first group, the exploiters. As I told earlier, such scammers exploit people behavior or situation, temptation or greed. Look, I have no hesitation in telling you this. In the crypto space, or in any other field, the main reason people get scammed is temptation, or in more casual word, people greed. Every scammer, no matter what technique they use, exploits just one weakness, The temptation for easy profit. They mostly present themselves as if they don't know much about the field in which they're trying to trap you. Then they make an offer that looks like an easy opportunity for you to take advantage of their so-called lack of knowledge. But the reality is very opposite. While you think you are exploiting the situation, in truth, it is you who is being tricked by their carefully planned act of innocence. Urgency. The other tactic such scammers use is urgency. They present themselves as someone who knows the crypto market very well, but is in urgent need of money, or Pi. They offer deal below the market rate, give you no time to think, and create a do-or-die situation. And while people believe they are taking advantage of the opportunity, in reality, they are the ones getting trapped in the scammer's net. And now come to second group, tech-savvy scammers. Tech-savvy scammers are far more dangerous because they use advanced knowledge of computers, networks, and the crypto system itself. They don't usually demand Pi or cash directly. Instead, they exploit people's natural concern for their account safety. They pretend to be well-wishers of the Pi community, acting like they only want to protect pioneers' accounts. In reality, they create fake apps, clone official websites, spread phishing links, and even design wallets that secretly steal private keys. Unlike ordinary scammers who play on emotions like urgency or greed, these scammers exploit your trust and fear for account safety, trapping you with technical tricks that look genuine but are built to silently rob you. Identification of exploiting scammers. Now I am going to show you some Facebook posts of scammers live. These scammers fall in first group, the exploiters. Alongside, I'll tell you why I place them a scammer, and meanwhile, I'll also guide you, how did I identify him as a scammer definitely. And applying same principle, you can also identify them and stay safe. Look at this post. First of all, there is no bot that can move either locked or unlocked Pi. The only authority that can do this is the Pi network itself. And that too, only when all required criteria are fully met. Now, look at this person. He is using a dedicated name for his profile, not the original one. And when you open it, there is almost nothing there. The profile is nearly blank. Check the About section, completely empty. It's obvious. He is a scammer. Check this out. She is exploiting pioneers' sympathy by showing a fake story of a big loss. Inside the post, she mentions an email address that looks like it belongs to the Pi Core team, inviting pioneers to send an email and request two-factor authentication for securing their accounts. But in reality, this is a trap. Through this method, she is filtering out pioneers, and anyone who contacts that unofficial email will end up losing their Pi. Remember, the only way to contact the Pi Core team or the Pi Help team is directly within the Pi app. Pi has never provided an external email address for support. Never. Let's check her profile too. Joined the group recently. Go through her posts. Good utilization of scam money. Check another post. Too high Pi price here. How can someone offer higher Pi buying rate? She is offering to buy at $314. Impossible. Don't you even think that if she want to buy Pi, why should she opt to pay such a huge amount? She can go to any exchange and can Pi as maximum as possible, and that too with the official rate, less than even $0.50 per Pi. Profile is completely empty. No doubt, more than 100% scammer. Look at this individual. He posts dozens of such ads across different Pi Facebook groups using multiple names and fake profiles. But for communication, he always uses the same WhatsApp number. His trick is simple. He offers to sell Pi at a lower rate, which excites buyers who think they are getting a great deal. But once the money is sent, he disappears. No Pi is ever transferred, and the buyer's dreams collapse instantly. Now look at this post. She used the local language Urdu, which is spoken in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and some other regions. Most likely, she first wrote the sentence in English and then translated it into Urdu. A quick analysis of her profile also makes things clear. This ID seems to be created only for Pi-related posts. It's not a personal account at all. Everything else is empty. Another smart trap. Millions of pioneers have unknowingly locked their Pi until 2026, 2027, or even 2028. Now many desperately want a shortcut to get some cash against their accounts. And this is exactly where scammers step in. Let me make it very clear. There is no official mechanism from Pi to sell or buy accounts with locked Pi. If such an option existed, there would be no need for the locking system in the first place. The whole purpose of locking is to reduce market pressure and keep the price stable. So how can someone claim to buy your locked Pi wallet when Pi itself offers no such system? These people are not buying anything. They are only after your passphrase. So, dear pioneers, our next and last video of this series is going to be even more interesting and eye-opening. In that video, we'll expose the tech-savvy scammers live and learn how to protect ourselves and our accounts from their malicious technology-driven tactics. You'll also discover how to access any wallet in the Pi network and track its available balance as well as transaction history. This powerful method will help you verify the authenticity and legitimacy of a Pi account and clearly distinguish between a genuine pioneer and a potential scammer. Don't miss that video, because skipping it might leave you vulnerable to the most advanced and technical scam tactics out there. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your colleagues and on relevant Facebook pages to help other pioneers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I try to read every comment and I truly enjoy responding to each one. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.